Hi, Madhurjya.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Madhurjya. This is Aruna from Quality Department, Madhurjya. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So, shall we start up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, before that, congratulations for your placements, Madhurjya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and all?
My name is Madhurjya. I came from Assam and I have completed my BTech from Kaziranga University in Assam last year. So 2 months back, I joined the CACM course in CMTI Bangalore.
Okay. So, how did you get to know about CMTI?
And I watched many videos on YouTube. Everyone was getting placed by doing this course in CMTI.
Okay. So, what and all you learned in CMTI, the classroom training, site learning? So, can you brief on that?
Yes, I learned about the sequence of construction, methodology, estimation, quantity survey, bar bending schedule, and apart from that, interior design and site visits also conducted.
Okay. So, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Yeah, it helped me a lot, ma'am. When I had any doubt, I watched videos in that app. So that's all.
Okay. So, can you like speak about Natarajan sir, our trainer Natarajan sir, and Ashok sir? So,
Natarajan
how
sir
was
was
their
very
guidance
helpful.
for the interview as well as the career?
Yes, yes, yes. Natarajan sir was very helpful in construction. So whenever I had any doubt, I asked him and he cleared my doubt. And the way of teaching is very good here. Ashok sir also guided me for our placement and our future.
Okay. So, like, speak about your confidence level, Madhurja. So, before joining the courses and after joining the courses, tell me the changes level of your confidence.
And before I was sitting at home, not getting a job. I had low confidence level. After coming here, I learned a lot more things about construction and interior. So I gained a lot of confidence to attend any interview. That's,
Okay. So, yeah, you said you're from Aassam, right?
yes, ma'am.
So, see, actually, it's totally different from North India to South India, Bangalore.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, how was the like? What was the challenges you faced here, and like how comfortable the CMTI took you to like settle in Bangalore? So, what was that procedure?
First, I found some difficulties to adjust with the foods. After sometimes, I was okay. And Bangalore is very nice to work and things. CMTI helped me in many things.
Okay. So, yeah. What about interview process, Madhurjia? How did you crack the interview?
And it was only one round interview. They asked me all the things which I have learned in CMTI, and I explained them well. So I got selected.
So, what about CMTI staff? Whether they were helpful to you?
CMTI staff is very helpful.
Okay. So, hope you're happy with your placements.
Yeah, man. I'm happy.
Yeah. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Madhurjia?
So, if anyone wants to learn some new things in construction and interior as well, so they can join CFDI. So after that, they will get placed in a good company, and whichever knowledge to get from college, this is not practical. So you have to do some course to get practical knowledge. So CMTI helps many students to gain their knowledge.
Okay. So, thanks for your feedback, Madhurjia. And once again, congratulations for your placements and all the best for your future. Thank you so much, Madhurjia.
Thank you, man.